Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this minced beef bolognese fritters. And here are my ingredients that I will be using, and here is my minced beef concoction. I will link the video down below because I'm sure I've made this already on my channel, so I'll link it down below. But here I have 1 cup of flour, or a little bit more than a cup, just use 1 cup of flour. I added some chopped up onion. I'm using all the bell peppers, all the colors of the rainbow. Yes, so red, green, come in with some yellow. So yeah, your sweet pepper, your bell pepper, yes, use up the niceness. And here I'm going in with some, what is this? I think it's some scallion and some chili flakes. So use your Scotch bonnet pepper. And here is the star of the show, the minced beef bolognese. Yes, so go ahead and fold that in. You want to combine everything. And here I am going in with some water just to, yeah. So it's not just one big dough bowl. So add the water, but be careful. So 2 cups of minced beef bolognese and 1 cup of flour. So mix that together. And now I'm going in with my pink Himalayan salt. So whatever salt you have, just go ahead and dash that in, splash it in, and then I'm gonna go in with some black pepper. So even though your little Scotch bonnet or whatever pepper you have, habanero, whatever you have that in there, yes, the black pepper give it a little razzle dazzle. So go ahead and mix that up, and I do taste my mixture. So bolognese can be a little bit tangy, so I'm adding a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, and then stir that in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and drop these fritters. So add some oil to your pot, get it nice and hot. Yeah. And then we're gonna drop them, and I love mine crispy. So once you drop them, then you're going to flip them over when they become golden brown on one side. So do like 4 or 5 minutes on each side. But I like mine crispy, so I will keep flipping them. So even though I flip it now, when it gets brown on the other side, I'm going to flip it back over, right? Because as I said, I love a little crisp on my fritters. And then we're going to take them out when they are ready to my liking. So if you don't like yours brown like this, then take them out before. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have a little minced beef bolognese fritters. So delicious. Listen, I just came up with this idea. I had it, and I had the leftover, and I was like, let me try a little something and give it to the Vibes fam. And it was so delicious. So I'm gonna break it and show it to you what the inside look like. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. As I said, I like mine crispy. Look at steam. If you don't like yours crispy, then do what you like. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam, and for hanging out with me. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification. Thank you. God bless you.